Greetings and welcome back to the Galley of the Sun. A few episodes ago, we made some amazing Argentine chorizo, something we had discovered on a vacation in Mazatlan, Mexico. So we cooked it out on the smoker and then served it on buns with some chimichurri on it. It was fantastic. Now we're getting ready to have another meal with Argentine chorizo, and it hit me. I can do something else besides just put those on a bun. Today we're going to make an Argentine wonton. So it's the night before. What we need to do tonight is get the chimichurri ready, because chimichurri is, one, it's incredible. Two, it's always better the day after. So we're gonna make some red chimichurri tonight. So what I have here is a couple bunches of flat leaf parsley. I am gonna mince the holy crap out of this stuff. Well, yeah, I am. Alrighty, next thing is oregano. Gonna do the same thing. Now, you noticed I haven't said any amounts. That's because, dear friends, all of the ingredients, their amounts, and the directions are down below in the comment section. With our oregano and parsley, some minced garlic. And I'll tell you what, if you do use garlic in a lot of your cooking, then I highly recommend that you spend the extra money for the pre-peeled garlic. Makes life so much easier. You're not stooping all the way down to get that pre-minced garlic, but you're not spending all that time getting those papery peels off. All right, final few ingredients. Extra virgin olive oil, red wine vinegar, smoked paprika, red chili flakes, and diced chipotles in adobo. And a couple good pinches of salt and pepper. All right, get that all mixed up. And then it's gonna go into the fridge overnight. Tomorrow, we shall assemble our delicious Argentine chorizos. We'll see you then.
Wrong.
We have arrived here on Wonton Day. So what I have in this bowl is a couple of blocks of cream cheese that's been softened. Now, you can make plenty of wontons with just one block of cream cheese, but we're also having our Argentine chorizo on a hoagie bun, and I plan to use this cream cheese chimichurri mixture on that also. So that's why I have so much. But as always, and I said yesterday, down below in the description are the ingredients, their amounts, and the directions. So I'm gonna take about a cup and a half of this delicious chimichurri and mix it in with the cream cheese. Oh, it is set up nicely and it smells amazeballs. All right, I'm gonna get these mixed up and then we'll move on to the next step. We'll see you then. All right, next step we're gonna do is take our Argentine chorizo and cut that into some little discs. So about a little thicker than a poker chip is what I'm looking for. All right, now we shall construct our wontons. Crazy easy. Wonton wrapper. Get a little water on the edges so it'll seal. Take one piece of sausage, a little dollop of your chimichurri cream cheese mixture, and bring that together. Give it a little pinch to make sure it seals, and voila, got my wonton. So I'm gonna repeat that a bunch of times, then we'll get them fried up, and we'll get some judgment and find out how we did. We'll see you then. All right, with the expert help of the director, I got through it. Thank God. Thank God for this woman.
Yes, she is something special.
Very special.
So, let's get some judgment and find out how we did. Well, is it the finest Argentine wonton you've ever had?
Yes, it is.
Okay. How does it rank against other wontons?
Lots of flavor. Good party snack.
Fantastic. Hey, this is a great thing for the big game, big race, big election night, whatever you want to use it for. All right, so you'd recommend these? All right, there you go. So, a few weeks ago, made the Argentine chorizo. Here is one of the uses for it. And it came out
Amazing.
amazing. Hey, thank you so much for joining us. Leave us a comment, hit the subscribe button, hit that like button, and tell us what kind of costume you'd like to see the director wearing next time. Until then, fair winds and following seas.